Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're going to be reading from page 29 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah, which you can see here, the inverted dammah. So firstly, what is an inverted dammah? It's the last of the 6 stretches. Firstly, the 6 stretches that we're going to cover. This is the last of them. So we've had the a, we've had the e, we've had the u. So basically the alif joining the letter, any letter joining alif with a fatha, so that's the a. We've had the kasra letter joining followed by a joining ya, and we've also had the dhamma followed by a joining waw, so that's the a, e, u stretches. We've also had the standing fatha, which is the same as the fatha and alif. We've had the e stretch with the standing kasra, which is a little line underneath. That was the previous lesson, page 28. And now we're on to this, which is u. It's just like the dhamma but stretched. Okay, so the dhamma, if you remember, it's a little number 9 that goes on top of the letter and gives it the u sound. With this inverted dhamma, and by the way, inverted just means upside down. It's just another way of saying upside down. So it's an upside down dhamma. It looks like a little number 6. Okay, so we're just going to go through the sounds first, one by one. Go through the full alphabet. You will literally only see this symbol in the Quran on top of, and it always comes on top. It'll be on top of a waw or a ha. Literally. Okay, we're doing all of them anyways, because the sound, the u sound, you will come across that on the different letters, but when you see this, it will literally be only on the ha and the waw. So essentially hu and woo, but we're going to have a look at some examples with those words next, inshallah. So we'll go through these sounds first. So we've got starting from the alif, u, bu, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu. Kha, remember, is full mouth, so khu, du, dhu, ru. Here the ra will be read full mouth because it's got that inverted dhamma on top of it. Onto the za now, box 11. Zu, su, shu. Here you got sad, so it's su, heavy sound. Dad is du, and ta is tu, dha is dhu. Okay, onto ayn now. U, ghu, fu. Qaf is full mouth, qu, and then kaf, ku, nice and relaxed. Lu, mu, nu, hu, wu, u, you. Okay, so that's your sounds. I just want to mention here that the makhraj is very, very important that we're getting that right, especially on the full mouth letters. So if you do need to go back and visit some of the earlier lessons, like the alphabet, where we looked at exactly where all of these letters are articulated from, where they're pronounced from, that might be a good idea if you're struggling with the actual origin of the letters or the makhraj of the letters. We're on to some example of words. The first one, I'll just go through the letters and then what the sounds are with the different haraka, and then the full word together, how it's read. Okay, so there's a ya, a ra, and a ha. The ya has a fatha, so it's ya. Ra has a fatha, so it's ra. Ya ra. Ha has an inverted dhamma, so it's hu. Ya ra hu. Okay, we'll do the next line as is. فَلَهُ مَعَهُ wuriya. So here's example of the waw. Like I said, the inverted dhamma, literally you'll only see it on the ha and the waw. Here's example where it's on the waw. So it's wuriya. On box 34, I'll go through it sound by sound. So it's mim with the alif and a fatha. So it's ma. That's the first stretch that we did. Lam with a dhamma, lu, malu, and then you've got the ha with the inverted dhamma, hu, maluhu. Okay, we'll do the rest of them as is. Rusulahu, Dawudu, Ja'alahu. So bear in mind, you should be practicing these a little bit yourself before checking out the lesson. Okay, so once we've been through the letters, the individual sounds, you should spend a little bit of time. Inshallah, by now you've got your own copy of the Safar Abridged Qaidah. There's a link to purchasing it if you want in the description. So once you've been through the letters, then it's a case of going through the words by yourself. Because, like I said, I don't want to give you, all the answers, and you don't, actually learn anything. We're on box 38 now. So the waw, ra, tha, and ha. Waw has a fatha wa, ra has a kasra ri, wari, tha has a fatha tha, waritha, ha has an inverted dhamma. So it's hu, warithahu. Okay. Box 39, going across. Khumusahu, qarinuhu, malahu. Okay. This first one, we'll break it down. So it's a kha. So box 42. Kha, ta, mim, and ha. Do you recognize all of them? If you don't, it might be an idea to go back to the letter recognition section, the blue section, towards the start of the Qa'idah. Because if we're struggling with recognizing the letters, you will struggle a bit further on even more when we start joining sounds together and whatnot. Kha, ta, mim, and ha. So the kha has a kasra, so it's khi. Ta has a standing fatha, ta, khita. Mim has a dhamma, mu, khitamu. Ha has an inverted dhamma, hu, khitamuhu. Alright, we'll do the rest just as they are. Amatahu, wa mizajuhu, sami'ahu. And now we're on box 46. Waw, tha, alif, qaf, and ha. So waw with the fatha wa, tha with the alif and a fatha, tha, wa tha, qaf has a fatha, qa, wa tha, qa, ha, inverted dhamma, hu, wa tha, qahu. Okay. I'm going across. Qadaruhu, kitabahu, khalaqahu. Box 50 now. Dha, alif, fatha, dha, ha, kasra, hi, dhahi, ra, dhamma, ru, dhahiru, ha, inverted dhamma, hu, dhahiruhu. And then we finish off this line. Box 51. Barakatuhu, mawazinuhu. And the last one. Fayudha'ifahu. Okay, so how did you get on? Please let me know in the comments. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. If you did find the lesson beneficial, please do consider subscribing to the channel and also letting other people know as well. Please share the goodness, and inshallah I'll see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.